Hey everybody, this is Corey here with Technically Technic, and well, we got a treat for you today. 94 Inline Six long block, 4.9 liter. He's having troubles. She's got some squeaking going on, and it's probably the wheel bearings, but she's okay. Other than that, so I go for a tour? Inside our luscious truck, we've got our American flag. Cletus McFarland would love that. Got ourselves bench seat, dash cover. Had to pull this trim off here, but got our muffin boys for lunch or breakfast or whatever. Got our fuzzy dice, but yeah, it's a little modest. Hopping in here, we got interior lighting. It's on fade right now. Let's see if I can't fix that. There we go. All the way on. Got my grandfather's Bono's truck up there. He's a good guy. Taught me a lot. Yeah, so this is the channel that we start up with our cars and things, and hopefully we'll get more people in on this. Send in a video if you have a car or not. I don't know. We'll find out. Give me tips on what I should do with this truck. That door, I swear. Anyway, we've been having some oil problems with the oil system, but it's nothing we can't solve, of course, but oils come out milky white. It's just been too cold here. Had negative 40 degrees. Did not treat the old girl well. Radiator overflew today. But yeah, this is the engine bay. A little bit of a wide sweep here. 4.9 liters. Some of the things have been changed, obviously, that are not factory. But yeah, this is my truck. We here at Technically Technic hope that you enjoy this, and we'll enjoy everything that we do here. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good night.